Hey everyone, welcome to this section. In this section, we're going to cover a few other important things that you need to learn to expand your knowledge in Python. So in this one, we're going to talk about mainly functions with inputs, a very important concept that is going to really expand your knowledge in programming and is going to make your code a lot more efficient and easier. We're going to talk about parameters, arguments, and also we're going to talk about a method that I very much like, and it's heavily used in Python, and it's called the index method. And finally, we're going to make a really cool program that is going to help us actually encrypt something. So here's a program that we're going to make by the end of this course or end of this section. You're going to run it and it's going to ask you to which action you want to take. For example, I'm just going to say encode. And after that, you're going to write the message, whatever you want to encode. I'm just going to say Sean, for example, and it's going to ask you for a shift number. I'm going to say 9, and there you go. So it's going to give me an encoded message. And just like that, when I get that encoded message, I can actually decode it. So if I copy this, I'm going to say yes, I'm going to go again, and I'm going to say encrypt or decode. Actually, we're going to decode this. All right, so we're going to type our message, and there you go. We're going to write our shift number, which is 9, and there you go. So it's going to give me my decrypted message, essentially, which is like the name that I just entered. So there you go. So by the end of this section, we're going to make this really cool program, and again, it's going to be really fun, and you're going to be using a lot of new things, such as I said, the functions with inputs, and as well as the method and all that, index methods and all that. So let's get us started and let's talk about functions and how you can actually expand on those things.